Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a bank account on eBay. To get started, open the eBay website or launch the eBay app on your device. Once you are logged in, look at the top of the page and click on the My eBay button. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From this menu, find and click on the Payment section. This area allows you to manage the payment methods connected to your eBay account. After opening the Payments page, look for the button that says Add Cards and Accounts. Click on it to continue. eBay will now ask you what type of payment setup you want to add. You will see options such as checkout or auctions and offers. Select the option that matches how you plan to use your payment method on eBay. After making your selection, you will be asked to choose the payment service or account that is linked to your bank account. For example, if your bank account is connected to PayPal, select the PayPal option from the list. eBay will then redirect you or prompt you to enter the necessary account information. Carefully enter the requested details and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Depending on the payment service you choose, you may also need to verify your account before it becomes available for use. Once the setup is complete, your payment method will be added to your eBay account. The next time you purchase an item on eBay, simply select PayPal or your preferred linked payment method during checkout to pay for your order. Thanks for watching.